This video is going to show you how to take multiple different designs and merge it into one. In this case, this is a website design in Canva, and the end goal of this example is this all-in-one website. We'll preview it, and it's going to show you this is all one continuous website. Well, to accomplish this, I'm going to show you the components. The first block, as you can see, the design on its own. Then I have this one, the Get to Know Us, that is its own design. The event collection, same thing, and the travel collection. So you can see they're all individual. If you were to click preview, it's only going to show you this one part. So I'm going to show you how to merge them. This will work for all kinds of things, not just this website one. The website one has been chosen because I have a couple other videos that show how to split various designs into other designs and adding one design page into a separate existing design. But someone specifically requested, they said they were having an issue where they had created website pages, but they were in multiple different designs, and they wanted one continuous website design. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to start here in the hero, which this is the first block I want. We're going to go to projects. Once projects opens, you're going to go, I'm going to click designs, I can see all of them. You're going to go to the design that you want, but first you're going to add a new page, because if you have this page selected, when you go to select the new page you want to add, it's going to replace that. Make sure you don't do that. I know that I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5. You can add them one at a time, or you can add them all at once. It doesn't really matter which way you do it. So you're going to projects, you're going to find the one you want. The next one I want is going to be the, let's see, Get to Know Us page. When it comes to other designs that are not a website, you would just simply go to projects, find the one you want, select it, and it would embed it as it is. But when it comes to a website, what's unique about this is each one of these items has its own web page. Each one of these has their own link. The problem you encounter when you try to use projects, let's say I want to do the Get to Know Us. The problem is, as you can see, this has a link of its own, which that's not exactly the biggest issue. The biggest issue for this particular item is that you now cannot edit any of these directly in here, aside from it already having its own link. That's really the biggest problem. The answer to this is actually really simple, is you would simply click, drag, copy, and paste. However, note that this background will not be copied. The fastest way to do this is detach, click, copy, and paste. So we're going to click copy. We're going to jump back over to the one we want. We're going to click paste, and then it's going to replace all of these elements. We're going to click replace background, and now it is still separate, and we can go and simply delete this if we want. The next one I want to do is event collection. Now this isn't actually a background, as you can see. It's simply color. So we're going to copy and paste all of these items. We're going to click, drag, copy, hop back over to the one we want to be the full scale. We're going to right click and we're going to paste. Now as you can see, the background is not the same. We're going to hop over. You're just going to click this little guy and that button. It'll give you the hex code. You're going to take this code and you're going to copy it, which can be Command C or Control C, or you can right click and copy it. Then you're going to jump back to your main one. You're going to select the background, click that. You're going to come over to here and you're going to paste it. Now what's funny is it does already have the document colors because I used it here. But I showed you that method because if none of your other pages, or it's just your first page, that's not already in this design, then that way now you know how to go find color. So we're going to add another section because I want to also add this travel. So I'm going to click, drag, and include all of these. If you're on a mobile device, you're going to go to the menu for this page. You're going to scroll over until it says, actually, you're going to just click one, and then it's going to give you the option to select multiple in this menu. But in this case, if you're on desktop, you don't have to do that. You can click and drag. Then you would go and select all the ones you want. You're going to click copy, and then you're going to hop over to the full one you want. Make sure you're selecting the right page, and then you're going to paste it. And because this is already the same color, you don't have to worry about changing the background. But should you want to change it, you can. Let's say you decided that's great. That's what's great about this copy and paste is it's still editable now, and it will all have the same website address versus using that separate option, which is useful if it's not a website design, but not useful if you are trying to do one continuous website. The last one we're going to do is this contact us page. Again, if it's a background, you've got to detach it first. You're going to click and drag or select multiple. I don't worry about grouping it. We're just going to right click, copy. We're going to hop over to here. We're going to click paste, and then we're going to select this and put replace background. And then if it's not in the area you want, you simply double click and you can maneuver it however you'd like till you like how it looks. And that's it. Now you've got one continuous, now the simple, easy way to merge different individual website pages from different designs and have it work as one full website with the same URL. We're going to click preview, and this will show you exactly what it's going to look like. It would also move your animation, and that's something that won't happen if you use this direct embed thing. You're able to copy and paste it into whichever one you want to be the full merged page. So that's the best way to do it, in my opinion. Then you can publish it or update it or what have you. That's the easiest and fastest way to combine a website. I hope this helped you guys.